Hey, I'm Lindsay and this is Organically Designed, and today we're talking about cleaning kits. If you're like me, I love to clean, and if you are not like me and you don't like cleaning, hopefully by the end of this video this will make things so much easier at your home and making things efficient to be able to get to the things that you need to tackle those chores around your home. So we're gonna start with underneath my kitchen sink, which has my main cleaning kit, and it has everything I need to refill my other two cleaning kits in my home and to make my homemade cleaning products when those run empty, which happens quicker than you would think. So let's get started with discussing what is going on behind me. Here we are underneath my kitchen sink, and you can see I have this big caddy, and I have had this caddy for years. I'm talking before I even met my husband years, so at least like 10 years now, and I believe I got it at Walmart, and I'm pretty sure you can still get it there or something like it, and you can get small versions for smaller cleaning kits and things if you want to use them, like have a mini cleaning kit somewhere. They do have like the little shower caddies and things at Dollar Tree, but I like the really big one for underneath my kitchen sink. So we're going to kind of pull this out and we'll discuss kind of what is in here and why I keep it in here. So in my caddy, I don't really take it anywhere. I just love that there's one long compartment on this left side, and then I have 3 small compartments on the right. So it makes organizing my cleaning products really simple. So on the left side, I keep all of my homemade cleaners. I have my all-purpose cleaner, my disinfecting, glass and mirror, toilet, and this is my dusting spray. And all of those can be found in my 2 homemade household cleaner videos on my channel. And this is another little hack that I want to talk about. I mentioned this before in one of my haul videos, but this is California Scents Orange Squeeze Air Freshener. You can find this in the car department at Walmart for pretty inexpensive, and it's just like an air freshening spray. And this is what I use to get like stickers and things off. It really helps get sticky residue up, so I always have it in my cleaning kit. I always, for quick messes, I always try to keep some disinfecting wipes, although my main go-to is the disinfecting spray. As you can see, we use a lot of it. And then coming to the center here, in the center I have like all the little tiny fun tools. So I keep my Dollar Tree scrubbing brush, which is great for grout and tiles. We do have a half bath downstairs. I also keep these extra little Clorox bleach and blue tabs. I keep those going through the toilet. I keep my denture brush. This is also from the Dollar Tree. I love this thing for little tiny nooks and crannies. This is also good. Like, I have this vent down here in the kitchen, and this is great to get in there because I can take this one off and pop it out and take it out and when I scrub it in the sink. So this I love, and I have them in all of my cleaning kits. Then I have my blind cleaner. So this is what I use. I kind of spray it, just like a little all-purpose spray on this. And then this is a Walmart find. Found this on a clip strip at Walmart, and I love this thing. And it comes with a refill on it. And then I have my favorite reusable Swiffer Wet Jet mop pads. These are actually from the Dollar Tree. I love these. I have 4 of them. Obviously 2 have been used already, but we keep them because we do multiple quick cleanup mopping throughout the week. I keep my Bissell steam mop pads in here for when I do my deep cleaning. I rotate through. I'll have to talk to y'all one day about my cleaning rotation. Microfiber cloths, these come in a 4-pack at the Dollar Tree. I love these. And then I absolutely love these glass cleaners, pads, not pads, but cloths. I keep, they come in a 2-pack. I keep 2 extra ones down here in this cleaning kit, and then you'll see later that I have some as well in the bathroom cleaning kits. So that's in my main caddy, so it keeps everything kind of neat and tidy in there, easy to grab and go. And then coming in here, I have my homemade soft scrub, air freshener. I have carpet upholstery cleaner, Swiffer wet jet refill. I do keep a thing of Clorox bleach spray, just for like major things. And then now we're starting on kind of like the refill stuff for my cleaning. I use a lot of white vinegar in my cleaners. And then here's my oven scrub jar, because once you make it, you got to use it. And then we're moving to the other side. We've got more of my cleaner refills. This is like for my laundry. Borax is both in my laundry detergent that I make and some of my cleaners. Baking soda. And then this kit has all of my refills for my homemade cleaners, along with my funnels I keep hanging off the side. And most all of this stuff you can get at the Dollar Tree. I think the only thing I couldn't get there is the borax, the Castile soap, and this jet dry. They might have a rinse aid there. Honestly, I did not look, but yeah, my alcohol comes from there. I had hydrogen peroxide on hand, and then I keep my essential oils down here too, because I use those for multiple things, including some homemade like body scrubs and things. But moving forward, my sponges, as you can tell, I get all my sponges from the Dollar Tree. And this is a Dollar Tree bin, and this is one of my favorite bins right now, this latch locking bin. And these are the little Brillo pads. I love these. I get these from the Dollar Tree too. We have stainless steel pots and pans, so these are great for underside and inside for those tough to remove little stains and burn marks and things like that. So always keep those in here. And then this is a rack that I've had. I use it for saran wrap and Ziploc bags in my pantry. And then I have a second one that I keep dish towels, hand towels. And then these are Dollar Tree rags that come into a pack. They're normally in the kitchen section. I love these for the cleaning. And then I also have some like older rags, but these are the newer ones right now that I got from the Dollar Tree. Loving those. Another little cool thing that I do in, or under my sink I should say, is I got these, a 3-pack of these over the door hooks, and these actually they were $1 for a 3-pack. I got them at Dollar General, and I just labeled them for my Dollar Tree reusable gloves. Because I keep a pair of large ones for my husband and a pair of medium for the rest of us in the house. And so I labeled those so that on this door there's the large ones, and so they go right back where they're supposed to. And then on the other side I had the medium, so we'll be doing dishes or cleaning or anything like that. Those are hung right back up on these doors with their size. So that is underneath my kitchen sink. How I keep all my main cleaning products nice and organized, and my refills. And now we're going to move on to the cleaning kits that I keep in my bathroom, and I'm only showing one, of course, because they're identical to each other. So I keep one in the kids' bathrooms closet and then one in our bathroom closet. So this bin This bin I actually got years ago at Hobby Lobby. I've had these cleaning kits set up for the extra bathrooms for a while now. I just find it super efficient to have an easy go-to kit for each one of those. Again, this is the only thing that's different in these is a daily shower spray. So before we get out of the shower, we kind of spray that down. So this is not normally in the cleaning kit. I kind of hang them up on the shower rod so that we can remember to use it. It just helps with soap scum and things. But we keep the glass and mirror cleaner, the toilet cleaner, and then the disinfecting. So those are like the 3 main cleaners for the bathroom, and this is kind of like an everyday thing. And then I always keep, again, a set or container, I should say, of disinfecting wipes in each one of mine. And I also keep for the shower, and it looks like I need to refill my kids. I hate that this is empty. I keep a little tiny jar for baking soda, and we sprinkle that in there and really get all of the grime and everything out of the bottom of the tub with just baking soda and water. And to do that, we use our Dollar Tree scrubbing brush. I love these. These hold up really well. And then, of course, we have a set of gloves. We do medium for both of the cleaning kits. And if my husband does happen to, of course, he can go back and get his large ones there. Then also, continuing in the cleaning kit, I keep 2 of those Dollar Tree kitchen towels in here. These are great for cleaning. I like, let's see if it's going to show you the texture. The texture on these is really, really nice. They're not super thick, which is great because it's easy to kind of like get in there. But these scrub really, really well. We keep 2 in there. We normally use 1 for cleaning because we kind of start from the top and work our way down to the nasty stuff. And then we keep 1 of those window glass cleaner cloths in here. They're they have kind of like a thicker paper towel texture to them, but I love these because you can use them multiple times before we have to wash them. If we have an issue and can't get something up with the rags, I always keep the Scrub Buddies, which is from the Dollar Tree, quick erasers in here. And I believe in this one I've already pre-cut some because normally we don't need a big piece. So I normally keep like little cut pieces like this. Because this normally is just for like stubborn little areas. So we don't really use a whole sponge each cleaning because that's wasteful. And then of course, like I was talking about, our Dollar Tree denture brush. My daughter has actually told me how much she's loving this because they have a weird little lip on the wall to the bathtub, and she said she loves the small side to get in the corners, and the long side gets along that little seam there, and she says it cleans so much better. And we have something similar because ours are kind of like shower cover-ups, like one of the showers that kind of like cover up an old shower kind of thing. That's what we have in our home. So those can kind of be like a little weird with the nooks and crannies. So that is our cleaning kit. If you enjoyed this cleaning kit video as much as I did making it, make sure you show me some love by hitting that thumbs up below. And if you love all things cleaning, organizing, creating, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about anything that was in the video today, leave a comment below and go back to my channel. I have 2 videos on there to show you how to make those cleaning products that were featured in today's video. As always, happy organizing and have an amazing rest of your day.